It's time to taste something new. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about Kellogg's Special K limited edition cereals for fall. Okay, so the first flavor that we're going to try is the Apple Cinnamon Crunch, which is naturally flavored with other natural flavors. What? So the first flavor we're going to try is called the Apple Cinnamon Crunch, which contains crunchy rice, wheat flakes with apple cinnamon clusters. Yum! That's what it looks like. And okay, let's see. Wow, look at this flake. It's huge. I don't see any clusters. I want a cluster. Okay. All right. It's like digging for gold. Okay, so we're gonna try them out. Okay. Very crunchy. Mm-hmm. Tastes a lot like apples, cinnamon, whole wheaty. Mm-hmm. Tastes like cluster. Mm-hmm. It's good. It's really good. It's like yogurt. Mm. Like a yogurt flavored cluster, and you can taste the cinnamon, and like oats, like if it has like oatmeal. Very crispy, very crunchy, and with milk it's probably the bomb. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, on to the next one. This one is pumpkin spice crunch. Okay, and this has crunchy rice and wheat flakes with nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cinnamon clusters. Hey. Wow. Once again, the flakes are huge. Really big. No clusters in sight. Nutmeg. Nutmeg spicy flavor. This would be flavors that are added to pumpkin pie, but I don't taste any pumpkin. No. It's more the spices. That's probably why it's called pumpkin spice. It's no spice for pumpkin. Mm-hmm. But it's really good. Ginger. I tasted ginger. Mm-hmm. So it's not really the flavor of pumpkin, it's the pumpkin spices. I mean, what you put like in a pumpkin pie. Yeah. Because it does say nutmeg, allspice, ginger, and cinnamon clusters. It doesn't say that it has pumpkin in it. Okay, the flakes are crunchy, tasty, but in this one I don't see any clusters in it. Maybe they're all the way at the bottom, but at the top I don't see any clusters. But they are really tasty, and they're gonna be more tasty with milk. Right. Almond milk, coconut milk, cow milk, soy milk. If any of you drink soy milk, it's really good. Mm-hmm. Okay, well, this concludes our video for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, stay positive, kind, and of course, divine. See you next time. Bye.